Anim na araw guys, on my 24 days of Christmas present for myself, I got another perfume from Sephora. And it's from Calvin Klein. And it's a set from Calvin Klein. I forgot how much I paid for it. It cost me $35. So this is 35 bucks. Meron pa silang isang set doon na yung apat na Calvin Klein tiny perfume. I have those set. Malapit na nga maubos yung apat na yun, but I'm asking my husband if he can give me that one for Christmas. So hopefully he get me that one. They've been on sale. They're like it was like $45 I think, but they're selling it for like $35 and went down to $26. So I really want to get it, but my husband is I was hoping that he already got it, so I don't want to get it because, well, okay lang naman madoble. Yeah, ito ay ang Calvin Klein, I think it's a Euphoria, yeah, Euphoria Eau de Parfum. And I got there's this one. I'm pretty sure the tiny one is a Dabber, and I got this one. I think this one, the other one is a travel size. It's a spray. Yeah, this one is bigger. It's 0.33 ounce or 10 ml, and the other one is very tiny. It's 4 ml. So yeah, another Christmas present, advanced Christmas present for myself. It's from Calvin Klein, my favorite brand. I had a huge bag Calvin Klein collection. So I also love this brand. I also have a perfume. Quite a few perfume collection from Calvin Klein. So this is the Euphoria, and I'm pretty sure it smells good because I have this before, and actually I have a little bit left of the tiny bottle that I also have, but it was big, little bit bigger than this. Should I unbox it? Let's unbox it. Buksan na lang natin. Yan. Ganun pala siya. Ayan guys. So on the Christmas day, I'm gonna do a recap kung ano yung mga niregalo ko sa sarili ko this Christmas. So, yan. Ito, medyo matagal-tagal ito maubos. Kasi, 10 ml siya. Taking it to work with me kasi madali lang siyang ibos. At saka, it's a spray. And, ito naman is just a 4 ml. Not even 5 ml. So, very tiny, but the bottle is too cute. I love tiny things since small things is easy to find in a space. So I'm trying to, if I buy a handbag, I'm trying to do to get a small handbag, small as I can find that I'm going to like. I can't get it out. Ayan siya guys, it's very small. But it's easy to carry and it's easy to put in a small purse. Yeah, it's a Dabber. This one is a Dabber. Oh, it smells so good. I love Calvin Klein perfume as I love Calvin Klein handbags. So, yeah, very small. I can put it in my pocket when I go to work, as I always carry perfume with me. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time. God bless you.